Okay, we're back to finish off part 2, and it's going to be installing the washers into the handlebar assembly here. So I've already got one in place, just for example. The other one we're going to do right now. So we're going to start with this, they call it a top cupped washer. It's got a little bit of a taper on the inside for any abnormalities on the bolt. That goes first. Now these are what they're calling hemispherical washers. These are the ones you got to be careful about putting on the right way. So the flat side is away from the rubber. This tapered side is towards the rubber bushing which goes in between. Now we've got this, this is the rubber washer, and inside is a piece they call the distance piece. So one just fits down inside the rubber that goes on top of the hemispherical washer. Now we've got this cup, and that fits over top of the rubber. Seal it down on the top like that. Okay, now we're just going to tip the whole works up and just have that rag here so it doesn't scratch the headlight, because I'm still connected with all the clamps here, or the cables. There's that. Just hold everything in place and drop it in. Perfect. Okay, and then underneath we have another one of those washers, tapered on one side, flat on the other side. Remember, the tapered side goes towards the bushing, the flat side towards the bolt. They are, I found a 14 millimeter is the right size socket to put on these nuts. And they're a nylock self-locking nut as well, so just going to tighten them on finger tight, and then I'll torque them up later. All right, so there you go with the installed handlebar. And once I get them torqued up, I'm interested to see what that rubber bushing has, what kind of an effect it has on reducing the vibration in that. So, all right, maybe that'll be another video once we have the bike running and we can take it for a test drive and see how that rubber works. I know some reports that I've read online said that some people didn't like the feel of the rubber bushing in there. They thought it felt a little too wobbly and loose. And in some cases, like if you have a windscreen on or something, you're not even supposed to use the rubber bushing. So it's kind of a personal preference, I guess.